You were promoted for being good at something. Almost certainly not for this. That is how most first-time managers arrive in the job, and then nobody tells them what to do. You get a team, a calendar full of somebody else's meetings, and a vague expectation that you will keep delivering whatever you were delivering before. So this book starts somewhere unusual, not with what to do, but with whether there is room to do it. List every standing obligation of the job. Put a minute figure and a cadence on each one. One-to-ones with the preparation and the writing up. The team meeting, your own meeting upward. The standing meetings you inherited, approvals, the written update. Then add it up. For one worked example manager with 7 direct reports, that comes to 14.9 hours a week before a single piece of actual work is done. And then there is the job they were promoted out of and are still doing, because nobody else can do it yet. Another 21.9 hours against a 40-hour week. That leaves 3.2 hours for thinking, for planning, for learning an entirely new job, and for anything that goes wrong. Hold the retained work constant and vary only the number of people, and you can see where it stops working altogether. This manager runs out of week at 11 reports. That is not an opinion about the right team size. It is what the number of people you manage and the amount of old work you kept look like when you finally trade them against each other. Before you change anything, 6 conversations, not 1. Each person who reports to you, the people who were your peers last month, the manager you now report to, your new peers, the team together, and the manager who left. 62 questions, each with what it is really asking and what a useful answer sounds like. And then the part almost everybody skips. A listening tour with no visible consequence is worse than not having done one. The team has told a new manager what is wrong. Watch nothing happen and learn something durable about what saying so is worth. So the report back comes within 14 days in 5 buckets. And the bucket that gets left out is not changing. And why? 5 questions that test the change rather than your confidence. Is it reversible? Who does it touch outside the team? Do you have the context yet? Is it yours to change? And does waiting compound? Which is the override? Then 30 changes a new manager actually considers, already sorted into week 1, week 6, day 90, and not yours. The second engine is the one that fixes the arithmetic. 17 rows of work you still do, each with what it costs a week and what it costs once to hand over properly. Divide the second by the first, and you have a payback period, which turns a guilt-driven decision into an order. A task that eats 2 hours a week and takes 4 hours to hand over repays itself in 2 weeks. But a ranked list is not a plan, because delegating costs hours you do not have either. So the ranking is run through a real schedule. 4 hours a week from week 3. 11 transfers complete inside the 90 days and return 15.3 hours a week, net of the supervision that stays with you. The book is explicit about which single week is overdrawn and exactly how the plan pays for itself after it. 108 pages, 4 PDFs, and every input to the arithmetic printed so you can replace it with your own in 20 minutes. No login, no seat, no renewal. The first 90 days happen once, and then they happen again for the person you promote. So print the chapters you use, write in the margins, and hand the marked up copy on. Ardent Workshop. Own it, don't rent it.